This is the Ghillie Kettle.
It's a twig stove, coupled with a cylindrical vessel to hold your water, with a hollowed-out center. So the fire has great airflow up through the middle of the container, and your water will boil quickly and efficiently. Fill the kettle with water or snow and start a fire underneath it. You can feed twigs into the top of the stove as it burns. It's made of anodized aluminum,
Or if you're across the pond, aluminium.
meaning it's very durable and chemically inert and safe to use as cookware. The anodization process gives the aluminum properties closer to titanium, but prior to anodizing, it's still easily machinable by a small shop that makes these in the UK. They call it a kettle, which it is, but it's actually more like a complete miniature cook set. It comes with a base twig stove and kettle, but also a stabilizer, an element for cooking on top of the kettle, a hot pan grabber, 2 cooking pans, grates, and a carrying bag. You can simmer or heat things under lower heat at the top of the kettle. Or, once you have a bed of coals, you can cook directly over the fire on the grates. The container comfortably holds about 630 milliliters of water without overfilling. At 1.4 pounds for just the kettle and twig stove, and about 2 pounds for the whole kit, it's not exactly ultra-light gear, but it's not unreasonably heavy, and it could serve as your entire meal preparation and water purification kit.
It's also fairly large, but remember that it's hollow, so you can fill it with other gear like your fire kit, or anything that you don't mind getting some soot on. Now let's give one away. The folks at Ghillie Kettle reached out to me and offered to send me this, and they're gonna send another one out to one of you. I'm not affiliated with them in any way, they were just kind enough to offer to give away a kettle. To enter the giveaway, you just need to subscribe to the channel and write any comment in the comment section of this video. The winner will be selected at random at a specific date and time in the near future. Adding multiple comments will not increase your chance of winning, so don't start spamming the comments thinking it'll help your chances. It will not. Ghillie Kettle will be sending it to the winner directly, and I think they'll ship pretty much anywhere on Earth, within reason. If not, I'll try my best to get it to you no matter where you are. Good luck, and we'll see you next time.